who doesn't know these mystery bags? This one was completely overstuffed, and sadly, a few boxes didn't survive the pressure. But let's check out what treasures are inside. First up, the iconic Ferrari F40 from Takara Tomy Tamaika in 1/64th scale, picked it up for just €5.39. Next, another Ferrari. I'm not even sure which model it is, but still, a Ferrari for €6.19. Third on the list, the Ferrari 812 Competizione from Burago, only €4.10. And yet another prancing horse, the Ferrari SP3 Enzo, also from Burago, for €3.50. Then I couldn't resist a Lamborghini Huracán STO, sleek, sharp, and €5.29 well spent. Here's something different. A Ford Mustang kit from CCA, ready to be assembled. Can't wait to see how it turns out. €5.19. Now onto a Porsche 911 GT3 RS in 1/39 scale, but honestly, it should be 1/43. Feels like straight-up Chinese junk, €5.29. To balance that out, here's a much nicer Porsche 911 GT3 RS in 1/32 scale from DJ Toys. Packed with extra details we'll explore another time. €9.49. Finally, to top it all off, the powerhouse Mercedes-Benz G63 in 1/32nd scale, a beast of a model for €10.49. Not a bad haul, damaged boxes or not. Thanks so much for watching, friends. I really appreciate you spending your time with me and checking out these awesome cars. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you won't miss the next part of the collection. And of course, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below. Which car was your favorite from today's haul? Until next time, keep collecting, stay awesome, and see you in the next video.